I've been working at Elements for 2 years. I've been a therapist for almost 3 years. I chose Elements because of the therapeutic focus of the work there. I really like using my hands and my knowledge together to help people feel better in their bodies. No matter where you go, you're going to be doing massage. You're going to be doing what you want to do. What I've found is that working at Elements has allowed me to develop myself, I think, better than I would be if I was also worried about running a business. I don't have to worry about running the business. I can just come in and do my thing. One of the things that therapists who work for themselves have to do is everything for themselves. And no matter where you go, you're going to be working really hard. But I think Elements lets you work really hard, but on the things that matter to you most as a therapist. I think for me, the reality is that I can focus better on my clients because I'm not trying to fold laundry or do the taxes or call people and get them on my schedule.